This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to excel date-wise, full guide. Begin by setting clear goals and boundaries, then pick a comfortable place and plan timing. Practice 2 or 3 openers and active listening to gather meaningful details. Use friendly body language and small gestures to show interest without overwhelming the other person. Reflect on each outing, note what worked, and adjust your approach for consistent growth and genuine connections. In this video, I will explain how to excel date-wise, full guide. Focus on open questions and genuine curiosity to keep conversation flowing. Share concise stories that reveal values and mirror tone and pacing to build rapport naturally. Avoid monologues and balance talking with listening so both people feel heard. Use light humor to ease tension and check in with body language cues to ensure comfort and mutual interest throughout the date. In this video, I will explain how to excel date-wise, full guide. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and ambience to predate prep or cozy post-date nights and pairs easily with phones. It's small, affordable, and adds a warm soundtrack to conversation or cooking together, which can reduce awkward pauses. If you like this suggestion, please subscribe and like, check the description for the link and deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to excel date-wise, full guide. Project calm confidence by arriving on time and dressing appropriately for the venue. Respect boundaries and ask consent before any physical steps, and be courteous if plans change. Offer clear signals of interest through consistent follow-up without pressuring the other person. Practice small acts of kindness and honest communication to build trust and make future dates more likely and more comfortable for both people.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.